Hello, my name is Swaroop. I'm founder of Probvision. We're a small team of proficient and experienced engineers working from past 2.5 years to build highly power efficient edge AI security camera solutions. Our security camera with a sustainable security solution is helping us to solve multiple problems exist with the security systems like cyber security, people privacy and data security concerns, and also latency in the streaming, and also redundancy of AI cameras, especially those who are very much relying on the network speed and cloud services. And these kind of problems mostly exist for the more than 40% of population who stay in the rural areas, and that's where the security will be the most important aspect, and where the robberies will be high. So our priority is to uh, protect these vulnerable people, specifically those people who are staying alone and elderly people who had health issues, and also those businesses who are in rural areas and have a kind of in a remote areas where there is a concern of security always. So our security camera adds more value to security system by actually solving use cases in four different categories. So one of the obvious category is security category, wherein people trespassing, intruder detection, and anomaly detection like people running, people grouping, people crawling, or any other suspicious activity which happen in this particular camera, which never happened regularly happen. This kind of anomaly activities will be monitored within the camera. Also, our cameras had health analytic solutions wherein people fall detection and people not moving for some reason, maybe passed away or something like that, understanding this kind of and also people not in the house for a certain number of days, or also understanding pattern in the of the activities of the people staying within the home, like waking up pattern, or like activities which general activities in different hours, to understand their lifestyle and to propose a better lifestyle kind of a solution or analytic solutions uh, through our mobile applications. Also, uh, we are also trying to solve multiple building automation solutions, like various appliances and assets are monitored within the building through our, especially through our thermal camera, which actually which also conceals the individual identity, and also can help us to monitor many heat emitting appliances out there. So we are also trying to solve multiple emergency use cases like fire detection, early fire detection, smoke detection, or oil leakage, or any insulation issues which can arise over a period of time in the building, and also any mold formation or anything which is critical or to building maintenance or business maintenance or efficiency, which improve efficiency of the building. We want to add this kind of a more value to the security camera solutions. And then basically our business model is, by obviously we make money by selling cameras through our profit margins. We do have a rental model wherein we can customer can rent our cameras for certain days, which is a competitive model as well. And also customer request us to do any custom use cases for them. For that we can charge monthly subscription fees as well, which is also very competitive with respect to many competitors out there. So we do have a pay as you go kind of a service, wherein because our cameras are modular, built in a modular fashion, the sensors and the hardwares can be upgraded, which gives a ability to upgrade the camera to the next level. So users who want to improve their security systems to the next level can always look for this kind of upgrade of accessories through accessories, and we'll charge them only once. So pay as you go service. And also data monetization is another area of generating revenue, wherein actually the owners of the cameras are actually owners of the data within the cameras. So we are not actually having any kind of a centralized server or anything like that. So users can pretty much decide whether they want to monetize their data. So those users who are like who want to share the data to improve the AI use cases, and also can earn a little bit of money by sharing those data with us. This is another model. Basically, both user and the company both can actually monetize the data, and this which helps CV community or AI community to build a better world, better solutions for customers in the future. Also, our other model is we would like to collaborate with multiple startup companies or other companies out there around the world who are willing to distribute our camera solutions by actually, I mean, those kind of companies who are already doing some kind of AI SaaS kind of a model services over the cloud services, who want to migrate to edge devices. We pretty much help them to in this migration of their existing models. By this way, they also earn by selling our cameras by sharing some profit margin in some percentage, and also they will also share some subscription model kind of a recurring revenue as well with us. So apart from this, there is another model wherein these companies can actually order custom cameras from us. So we provide design services. We acquired this kind of a skill from past 2.5 years, wherein we are able to efficiently build this kind of cameras, design camera solutions. We can provide this kind of services as well, custom design services. This kind of services where customer has to provide some kind of a design cost, consultancy cost fees, and also probably some kind of a royalty kind of a model as well for them. They can manufacture this camera their own countries, and they can associate with us this way as well. So obviously, as I told, we would like to solve. We are building this camera to vulnerable people, vulnerable business, specifically for rural areas, like those areas for more than 40% of those areas where network is the issue, and which can pretty much AI models deployment or anything like that, or SaaS model will definitely cannot help them. So this, and obviously, to scale our business, we would like to also deploy our solution in industrial environment like paper manufacturing, textile manufacturing, or any kind of showrooms, and also we would like to also work with the real estate agencies who are actually building the new construction houses, where we would like to deploy our cameras at a very early stage and get their feedback, and can improve accordingly. So yeah, this definitely help them to keep on and cope up with the competition they have in the real estate world. With respect to competitors, they can always have a edge over the competition. So yeah, these are the different kind of model, this business model and customers that we are looking forward to serve from our Probvision, through our Probvision cameras. So regarding the business, Probvision business, at this point of time, we do have some early adopters who are looking, who are already adopted. Some few, 10 of them are already like using our cameras and providing their feedback. Also, we have a survey of more than 800 to 900 people in that range. So in that, around 400, 300 odd, 300, 400 odd people like who showed some interest that they're going to buy the camera, and some remaining people actually felt they already have a security solution. They will come back to us later stages when they need to upgrade this kind of security solutions. So far, I didn't see any kind of customer who said they, they don't like the camera for some reason or something like that. There is no negative comments from any customers. Obviously, we do get a lot of questions on why to solve these solutions or these problems, and why is it so important to have the edge computing kind of devices. That's where we spend a lot of time with the customers to make them understand that what is the importance of edge computing technology, to embrace this technology, what actually as a uh, as a, the global problem we are trying to solve, like by reducing the carbon footprint or CO2 emission, or maintaining this kind of centralized servers, which is actually increasing day to day by increasing the IoT devices. We do try to give most of the answers, and pretty much many customers are happy with what we are trying to build, and this gives us a confidence, and this gives us a lot of hope for the Probvision in the coming years. We definitely feel that 2023 will be the year where Probvision will have a big acceleration in the business, and we would like to stay competitive in this business. At the same time, we would like to collaborate with multiple companies out there. It's not just staying about being competitive. We also want to solve critical problems, lively problems, which actually customer facing real time. So, and also our cameras can actually send emergency messages integrated with WhatsApp, which makes it which makes it amazing device. Pretty much many people know how to use WhatsApp, and that's how the cameras can be configured. Cameras can send emergency videos, images, and it provides user the options to stream. Like there is no camera out there which actually can provide the option to start stream, stop stream whenever they need, or thermal streaming, or choose any kind of which to protect their privacy. And also there is no camera out there which actually trying to solve real-time organization of the data within the device. So we do organize data with different ranks, and also that's how we for example, customer can say, okay, I want to have one folder with all the people running, one folder with people where people grouping, one folder where there is a special activity like people just jumping, or just from the compound or something like that. There is something suspicious that they want to save as a high priority data. We can do that real time. Basically, that's what makes this device a special device, I would say, which nobody has. There is nothing like this in the markets so far, and that's which adds more value to customer. So yeah, thank you very much for all the people supported us in in building this kind of devices from past 2.5 years. We would like to collaborate with more people and try to build a much better solutions for better tomorrow. Thank you very much.